Hey everyone, my name is George and this is my own summer. Welcome back to part 2 of my garage to workshop conversion. Last time I cleaned as much as I could, which is still an ongoing process by the way. Also, I really wanted to test my theory with gluing the polystyrene sheets to the metal walls with silicone paste. And it worked, much to my surprise, as you've seen towards the end of my previous episode. 1 week later and they're still holding, well actually more than a week now, and they're still there. I still had in the garage an old workbench I put together really quick using some 2x6 timber that I was planning to use for something else. I abandoned that project and was left with some unused timber that I just had to use for something. Didn't know too much about building a workbench at the time, in all fairness, and it was really wobbly, but proved to be useful for doing different things around the house. One of them was building a retro arcade controller to use with my RetroPie gaming setup. There is a link in the description below to a blog post if you want to see some pictures. Unfortunately, as part of my garage conversion, I had to dismantle it and get rid of it, since I have other plans now for a workbench in my new workshop. Had to change a few screw bits for my electrical drill, had some cheap ones laying around and I thought it would be better to use those instead. And cheap they are indeed. Had to change a few of them to finish the job at hand. I also wanted to glue a few more polystyrene sheets on the walls. Unfortunately, only managed to apply just one when I realized I ran out of silicone paste. Oh well, I'll continue after running to B&Q to get some more, but that's for the next part of the series. Like last time, if you have any comments or advice, please leave them in the section below. For now, thanks for watching and see you next time.